Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to another huge airdrop opportunity. This project has already raised $15 million and Binance has led the funding round, so don't miss out on this one. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I regularly upload high-profit airdrops, and also be sure to join my Telegram channel for quick updates. Alright, let's get into the video. I've provided the airdrop link in the description below. Simply tap the link and the page will appear. First, you'll need to connect your MetaMask wallet. Just tap the connect button and confirm the connection. After that, you'll be prompted to enter a referral code. Make sure to check the description box for the referral code. Once you've entered the code, tap the arrow to continue. Next, you'll need to connect your Twitter account. Once that's done, the homepage will appear and your points will start updating every 4 hours. You'll need to accumulate these points to be eligible for the airdrop. Let's dive into the tasks now. The first task is the Galxe task. Tap on it, and you'll see some very simple tasks like following on Twitter, connecting to Discord, and retweeting posts. These are quick and easy tasks that you can complete right away. Now moving to the main tasks, here's where you can earn more points. As you can see, there's an action task where you can earn 500 points by completing it. Tap the Create button, and you'll need to connect your MetaMask wallet again. After that, you'll need Hemi Testnet ETH. You can convert your Sepolia ETH using the mining website link I've provided in the description. Simply copy your MetaMask wallet address, paste it into the mining site, and tap Start Mining. Once the mining process is complete, you can convert your Sepolia ETH to Hemi ETH. After that, go back to the original website, connect your wallet, and confirm the transaction using Hemi ETH. This will complete your task. Next, we'll move on to other tasks like swapping on Hemi. Here, you'll convert Hemi ETH to other coins to earn 200 points. Additionally, if you complete the Create a Capsule on Hemi task, you'll earn 1,000 points. This task may take about 10 to 20 minutes to finish, so I'll leave it for now. If you want a full dedicated video on how to complete it, just leave a comment, and I'll create a step-by-step guide. You can also complete Zeely tasks, which involve creating an account on Zeely and connecting to Discord. Unfortunately, my Discord isn't connected right now, but I'll try again in 3 to 4 hours. That's all for the tasks in this airdrop. If you follow all these steps, you'll be eligible to participate. And remember, this project has already raised $15 million, so we're expecting a solid profit from this airdrop. That's it for this video. I'll see you soon in the next one.